Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and I've got an unboxing of something I purchased the other week or so from Staroar. I have seen these, and I did see them and I sort of thought, oh, they're interesting, and then promptly forgot about them again. But then somebody did mention them. I'm not sure if it was in the Facebook group, but they have a different type of diamond painting storage, and I kind of like my storage. So I ventured and purchased a set, and I thought I'd show you. So I will pop links to this down below, but you can order these in a lot of 7, or you can order 4 lots of 7, which is what I ordered. Now they do have their logo on the side, on one side, but what I thought was quite interesting with these, if I can get in them. Okay, scissors. Oh. Try and get my scissors off my pegboard, please. See if I can just get started on this outer coating. There we go. So you do get sort of 4 lots of 7. What else do we get? Oh, we get some stickers, which I have seen images showing these on the side, but you can of course always put them on the top as well. But what I found interesting is not only is it sort of like a little clip, very similar to the 28 containers, where you have them in a little tray. What I also found, oh, this way, is they also come off and are individual pots. So I'm guessing these are stiffer because they're new. But if I can get them to do it, come on, you're showing me up on camera. Move. Okay, they are individual. I am having a problem with this one. Oh, that's because the plastic there seems to be joined. The plastic across the top seems to be joined. Let's see if my nail can do it, though my nails are pretty shot at the moment. It's moving. It's just not moving enough. Yeah, so there's a little, I'm not even sure if you can see it, but there's a little plastic join in between the two. And I'm trying to work out if this one's still just sealed together or if it's just purely stuck. Oh, it's just stuck. It's moving. Oh, I'm having to give this some welly. Okay, there we go. Let's hope that's easier now it's been done once. Okay, yeah, once it's been done once, it does come apart a bit easier, but how much I'll do them as individual compared to as a block, I don't know. You can't put them in a longer block, so they do have an end, and then they have the other end with, oh, the logo, but it does look as though it is just stuck on. So you could take that off if you wanted to. I'm not sure how many diamonds they'll fit. They are a flip top, which seems pretty sturdy, but it does open. And then, of course, you can take them apart. Well, I'd recommend taking them all apart first with no diamonds in, just to make sure that they move freely, because that one's a little bit stiff, but now I've got it apart, it is easy enough to do. So I imagine when de-kitting this, it will be a lot easier with the ones in the middle. How much I'd do it while diamond painting, I'm not sure, until I actually diamond paint with them. But I like the concept. I thought it was something that was worth trying and giving a go. So I got a 4 set. I think it worked out about £14 something plus shipping to the UK. so the shipping was a bit more, but it does seem nice quality storage. I say once you've got past that initial getting it open, getting the containers to split, it seems a nice little compact type storage. Maybe this would be nice if you needed a couple more pots in addition to the ones you've got. So maybe grab hold of 3 because you're using a 28 container but you've got 31 colours. It would be very handy for that as well. You could potentially use it just for your spares. There's a few different options, but I thought it would be handy to have in my storage arsenal, and we'll see how I use it as we go along, whether it does end up being that I use it as a full complete storage kit, or maybe I will decide to just use it as extras when I need that extra couple. I know I do have a painting coming up that has 70 different colours, and the storage case that potentially may be used for it, depending on whether it's free, because a lot of my storage does get used on a constant basis. It has 60, so maybe I'll use an extra couple of these for the extras to keep things more contained. We'll see. But say it does come with some stickers, and of course it will take the smaller stickers that I'm used to using. But yeah, more storage for you guys, because you know what's wrong with storage. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.